So step one, I've successfully pulled the old chime off, or doorbell button, and you can see I've put the new one on here. Next step, we're just going to mount it to the door like so. We've got our new doorbell mounted, and you can see it's got power because there's the light. I'll show you how I followed the instructions and jumpered the old hardware doorbell so that it could pull power off of the chime instead of having to use the battery pack. Alright, here's the app. As you can see, I've got my front porch connected already. So I click into it here. You can see there's my front door. I've got the cloud service set up as a trial, and with that you can see some previous recordings that have been made. If I go into settings here, you can see it's got some settings for the volume, night vision, the wireless chime, whether or not to enable it. And in their cloud storage service, you can choose whether you want to sign up for one of their cloud hosting plans. It also records to the local SD card if you plug one into the camera. And it's
Put
got an
camera
install
and phone
guide,
at the place of camera installation. Press
which
next
is
to
pretty
enter
simple.
network diagnostic.
I can't do it now because I've already got one, but basically what you do is, yeah, I'm too far away from it. You just click add and you scan a QR code with the camera and it's automatically paired. So very easy to do, really simple installation. I'm really impressed with what they've built.